Scalpers, did you make money off this bounce up to this small range here and you moved your stop up? Because remember, if you're scalping, they're very tight stops, right? Very tight stops, right, scalpers?
Yeah, I
And
made
looking at
28 bucks on one contract.
right here, dangerous level for Tesla. I'm not out. I'm telling you right now, one baby tiny spot, I'm not out. If this does pull now below this candle and stays here, I'm out. But this, zero fear. Meta bounced off of VWAP. Another scalping opportunity for you over there. Do you see it, Meta? Thank you. I'm still holding these Tesla calls. It's sitting right on VWAP. Again, this pulls below this area, I'm out. If this sits right here, this to me is considered sitting at VWAP. I'm still in it. This is where most people, you're all like sweating and freaking out. Yeah, this is considered VWAP, right? Be cool. You're all right. Stop tripping out. Stop losing your damn minds. Stop going in so big and you won't panic. I'm up 50 bucks right now and it's sitting at VWAP. 2 contracts. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, right? Everybody else, you collected here, 50%. Right here, collect again, 20%. Why? Because it's sitting flat on VWAP. It's critical. Now all you have left, 30%. Now if it pulls back, doesn't matter. You made money here and here. You bought it here. No matter what, this is a green trade. Make sense? All right, right here. I'm still in this Tesla. I'm going to pull out, though, right here. If this drops now below this 210.89, this will be my absolute out right here, right? It's sitting just below VWAP, but I'm still even. It's only 10 bucks, but I am still even. This is considered VWAP, even though we're right in the cusp. See this? Long candle or candle with confirmation. So it's sitting, this is why I said this is sitting in the danger zone. Everybody seeing it? But it's not a total failure yet. There was not a long. It has not shown like absolute dump. But if it does, we're out. And again, you made money up here at 50. You made money here at 20. This is 70%. You should all have made money on this trade. Yes? Tesla's pulling here. I'm setting up to sell now if it continues. Just trying to keep you guys in the loop of what I'm doing. Do you see how I got this level mark? This 210.90 right here. This is my out. Because that will be below VWAP and staying, not loitering around it. Do you see the difference? This is just kind of hovering. If it breaks this, I'm out. Don't care. All right, I'm out now.